Good afternoon. It is 26th of May today. We have received this letter of acknowledgement from Wellspring Charity, who have received the money raised, which is £1,796, well above the money we raised last year, which was £1,025. This is the second letter they have sent us confirming the receipt of that money. Me and Jill, we both would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all those people who have been helping us to arrange this event. Also, I would like to say thank you to all those people who participated, who came and made it a successful day for the families, for the children. I would also say thank you to the mayor who made this event more successful. People came from all over, from the surrounding areas. Even a family drove all the way from Birmingham, and we would like to say thank you to everyone for making this day a very special and successful day. Hopefully we'll arrange another open garden in the aid of Wellspring next year. So I would request all of you people to keep in mind the date will be arranged. I would like you to come next year as well. I have a few apple trees with 3, 4 and 5 varieties grafted onto it. If anybody is interested to have them for their own garden, they can come and have a look at them. I should remind you that all the money raised will go to Wellspring Charity. Please keep in mind for next year as well. Thank you. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of this universe. If you lose me once, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, you can subscribe to my channel and you will have easy access to me and to my videos. Thank you.